From ZWCAD 2025, we support the raster image vectorization feature. First, you can attach a raster image. Before you start, you can check the Configuration Manager to select the configuration you need and set it as current. Now you can start the vectorization. After conversion, you can merge, connect, or break vector objects. As you can see, the map has been converted to a CAD drawing automatically. What's more, if you use the ZWVectorization Tool, you can access the text recognition or OCR feature and handle higher resolution image. Let's demonstrate it by inserting an image with text. Open the Vectorization Configuration Manager and create a new configuration. Check the text recognition option, and you will find the OCR tab selectable. You can also adjust other parameters in the manager. Now let's try the text conversion feature. You'll see the text has been converted to single-line text. Interested? Download the ZWVectorization Tool and try it now.